Vibration of hydraulic pumps. Hydraulic pumps vibrate during operation, and vibration is a major factor in causing noise. The vibration of the hydraulic pump comes mainly from the relative motion between the vanes and the pump body, and the resonance of infusion lines and ancillary equipment. Design and layout of pumping stations. Poor design and layout of hydraulic pumping stations can also lead to increased noise levels. For example, the proximity of individual pieces of equipment in a pumping station are not acoustically sound. Both result in the reflection and propagation of noise. Maintenance and care of the pump frame. Inadequate maintenance and care of the hydraulic pump frame can lead to problems such as worn bearings and reduced sealing performance of the pump. This in turn causes an increase in noise.